Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the 1More headphones and I'm going to tell you how you can easily charge them. So the first way is that you can prepare yourself a power adapter which looks like this. Let me show you this here. Then prepare yourself a cable that fits into the charger and has the USB Type-C finishment. Let me show you how does it look like. Here I do have my power adapter with the cable plugged in, and this is the cable itself. So at first we have to plug our power adapter into the power supply, and then we have to plug our USB Type-C cable into our charging port, where here, right here. And now our headphones are charging. This is the first way. The second way is using your phone. So at first you have to prepare a cable that is USB Type-C to C and a phone that supports reverse charging. Not wireless, just reverse charging. For example, this iPhone does. Then find yourself a USB Type-C to C cable, and the first part of the cable plug into your phone here like that, and the second you have to plug into your headphones just here. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.